What's up, YouTube? What's going on? QB Truck Life in the building. Right now,
I used to be at the tunnel, 20 deep in the huddle, razors on instead of make skin bubble.
Chilling. It's a nice day today. I'm about to go to the park, get my run on, but first I'm gonna go ahead and take care of some things on my truck. As you see, I got my certificate of authority right here, baby. Booyah! About to go put that in my truck, in my binder that I got. And I'm going to put these signs on the door, at least try to, if I don't mess them up. Because I don't want YouTube to be trying to flag my shit. I don't own no rights to none of this music. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm about to go around here to this truck and y'all can watch me. Hopefully I don't fuck up putting this vinyl on my doors. We'll see. Yeah, you know, the beard is scruffy. Fuck it. It is what it is. And the head is not shaved. I got the real Earl Simmons going on right now. Whatever. Earl Simmons right now. It don't even matter. I feel good right there. Right now, it's got my certificate. Once these people come on. I really didn't want to do it right now because of the time of day it is. Got a bunch of people out here, but fuck it, man. Fuck it. Do what I gotta do. Right there. Look at this guy. This guy, he be out here doing his thing on his truck too, bro. I see you, my man. Everybody getting their thing on. So, alright. Go ahead and wipe these doors off. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute.
She moved from Queens to Co-op City. She said, visit me, that's if you really miss me. I did. Show proof, 10 niggas outside her building, that's what I go through. 1989, my baby mine was advancing. Nike Air Trainer 3s, 2 fingers on the hand, son. I'm losing her slowly. Plus my other girl is starting to move on the homie, hopping 85, roll with me. When I used to slide, I used to call cars.
Don't never get out the truck that way.
Don't want no other driver on the job. Nah, only car 85.
Especially during your test.
Everywhere we went, we took car 85. We gon' ride. Put that tape on I like. You know that tape I like. Turn that shit up. We gon' smoke and ride. Go to Times Square. We take it from there. Just ride.
Dealing with car 85. See me throw my little authority up in here. Bang! I gotta get a little cover letter for my arm.
Witness the truth, I'm certified. That's been verified. My mere presence got other guys terrified. Slap oxygen out your esophagus. I survived when stick-up kids was dropping shit. The rotten apples, the tabernacle. That's it why. White Castles at midnight. Fish sandwiches, 40 ounces and fist fights. They even use car 85 to pull robberies. Use them as a getaway car and pay them properly. Next year the whole town strung out. Swept the block where they hung out. Look how far we come now. Amen. Grab the duffel and run out. 7 fiends in one house. Hustle sun up to sundown. What up? Summertime in NY. In the back seat a car 85. The whole hood was trying to call car 85. Any car like that, any number that had that system or that cool ride, you know that make your whole day. Just being able to get up and go. To this day, I just like to ride. A lot of thoughts come to mind.
Nah, you can't. If I could, I would, but nah, you know you gotta be DOT regulated and shit, man. Can't. You shot out, boy.
We go in.
What's that?
My pants poster said, we going ultra. We going ultra black. I got a toast to that. We don't fold it back. We going occasion we
that?
rose to that. Fuck on postal. We going ultra black.
You gonna open it up, man? Okay.
This shit poster slap. We going ultra
Hell
black.
yeah, good luck, man.
We going.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna come holler at you when I get off the road. How long you got, man? You think? Yeah.
Nobody fault. I tell the truth. I know it's facts. We ultra black. Gray stone skin tone, but multi multiple colors. We coming on shades mocha black.
That's what's up.
Except where I'm at and not fight me on it. Emotional stares like I might be wanted. Pitch black like the night. I'm ultra black. Sanford and Son reruns. Jokes are black. Oh yes, oh yes.
All right,
God
man.
bless success. We going ultra black like the S is fast. Talk with a mask on. The freshest breath. African black soap caress the flesh. Super fly the Mac, sitting fly in the lack. Take a boat on the water, history talk with my daughter. My son will be my resurrection. Constantly learning lessons. I never die, you get the message. I hope you be better.
Shit, I
than
just
I.
now started, man.
Two-stepping. Sometimes I'm over black, even my clothes are black. Cash money with the white kid and the soldier rag. We going ultra black, unapologetically black. The opposite of Doja Cat. Michael Blackson black. We going ultra black. I got a toast to that. We
Already
gon'
hooked up
fold
with
the
a
crack.
dispatch.
Occasion we rose to that. Fuck on postal. We going ultra black. Watching the globe change. Hopping the coldest range.
Christmas,
Boy,
man,
on the
around the
beat,
holidays.
this shit
I'm gonna be
poster
out
slap.
there.
We going ultra
I
black.
ain't coming back for a couple of months, man. That's where the money at.
We going ultra black.
Got
With this
you.
Oakland hat. I smoke.
Get that money, y'all. Keep it real, y'all. Keep it real, y'all. Get that money, y'all. Nah, I mean, strap up. About to cruise down the turnpike. Feel me? Jersey stack. Fuck being humble, let me brag for a minute. Take time to get up in that ass for a minute. Garbage ass rappers don't get mad cause I'm winning. On the radio I got mad records spinning. Y'all been rapping for years, still didn't get shit. Look at me shining like ice on the wrist, bitch. Yeah, I do mine with straight talent. And lyrically I'm known to spit like a straight savage. Untamed, but what should I do to eat in this game? Should I cross over like 50 to claim my fame? Or should I do it like the Locks and make hits for the streets? Even though they bootleg and make it harder to eat. Anyway, it's on God to judge the life that I chose. On the day of judgment, when your life is exposed, all the wicked you done, you gotta answer for that. If you took a life, trust me, ain't no answer for that. So I try to stay positive, chill and relax. Build with my niggas and catch me a victim on wax. I don't battle cause I feel it ain't no money in that. I'd rather make a hit record so my money can stack. Then I can cruise with Divine in this Cranberry act. Or collab with.
There it is. Final result. Big Brown Trucking, baby. We in the building. My beautiful box truck right here. I've been telling y'all I was gonna show y'all my box truck. 26 footer. About to get on the road, baby. Just put my vinyl on. It's looking real nice. This is my baby right here. We gonna get out here. We gonna make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Looking real good right now. Feeling real good. Now I'm about to go hit this park. Let me take a picture for my brother though. Send it to my brother. Let him know what it is. You know what I'm saying? He been wanting to see this. So. Alright, YouTube. Just finished hooking up my truck with the decals. Y'all seeing it looks pretty good. Feeling professional right now. You know. Only thing I got left to do now is go hit this park, man. Go get my little work, my little run in. You know what I'm saying? Can't believe this is happening, man, but it's really happening. I'm telling you, man, when you put your mind to it, you can do anything. Straight up and down. Word up. But I ain't here to preach. I'm just here to take y'all on my journey, man. From box trucks to semis to a fleet. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing it. That's how we doing it. Taking y'all with me to my journey. Right now, let me get up off this phone. Go get this workout in. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.
Yes, yes. Know what it is. Know what it is.